Will pull-ups build biceps? Stick around to find out. Hey, it's Oskar from GoPrimate here, and in this video I'm gonna answer the question, will pull-ups build biceps? So yes, pull-ups do target your biceps, so you will be working your biceps at the same time, but to be honest, with pull-ups do not expect to get any significant bicep gains. So pull-ups are very effective at targeting your lats and your lower trapezius, but they're not the most effective for targeting your biceps. So if you want to hit your biceps more, then I would recommend something like a chin-up. So that's going to be with a supinated grip. And if you want to train the biceps even more, then I would recommend a close grip chin-up. And here I would recommend actually doing this with a ring. So that will be a single ring chin-up. That is going to be slightly more friendly on your wrist compared to a close grip chin-up. And therefore I think it's just a little bit better than on a straight bar. But to recap, pull-ups do target your biceps, but they are mainly a lat and a trap exercise, so I really wouldn't expect any significant bicep gains from pull-ups alone. But from chin-ups, you can already start to expect some serious mass on your biceps. And hey, if you want to see a more detailed video on single ring chin-ups, then make sure you're going to check out this video right here that's going to teach you what to focus on for best results. Now, if you got some value from this video, then please leave this video a like, it's all appreciated, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to optimize your body weight, ring, and at-home fitness training. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.